Hello, good evening, everyone. Congratulations, Sir June, for being top gifter of the week. Last week pala. Consistent for 3 weeks po si Sir June na naging top gifter. Please do check in tayo sa ating yellow box. And enjoy the night and go on singing. Think I'll go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. I got some friends that I could go to working for. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. If we get there before the snow flies and I've seen all looking good, you could meet me if I send you down the fair. But by then it would be winter, not too much for you to do. And those winds sure can blow cold way up there. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. It's our good times are all gone, and I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. Yan, listening na po. Na-add na. Still, thank you so much for joining, Sir Bird. Nalisan ko na po kanina. Still I wish you'd change your mind if I ask you one more time. But we've been through that 100 times or more. Four strong winds that blow lonely, 7 seas that run high. All those things that don't change, come what may. If the good times are all gone, then I'm bound for moving on. I'll look for you if I'm ever back this way. I'll look for you its way. Thank you so much for the flowers and gifts, and enjoy the night. Welcome everyone.